knows that salads are a great way to get more fresh vegetables into your diet and improve your health. Unfortunately, the weak link is all the dressing they pile on top. Traditional dressings tend to be packed with calories, while low-calorie options are often laden with preservatives, additives, and sweeteners. Yuck. The good news is that it's super simple to make your own real food salad dressings at home. I use glass jars for mixing and storing my dressing. It's super nice when I find a jar that's already marked with measurements. If yours aren't marked, you can easily do the marking yourself by adding increments of water and marking the jar with a Sharpie. My favorite for dipping vegetables, pizza crust, and serving on salad is ranch dressing. Believe it or not, you don't need a powdered mix to make it at home. Instead, you need half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon parsley, 1 teaspoon granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon granulated onion, and a pinch of cayenne. You're going to mix all of these into a jar or bowl until smooth, and then serve immediately or refrigerate. It's good for about a week. You will never go back to the bottle once you try ranch made this way. If you'd like to make it dairy-free, go ahead and use coconut or almond milk instead of the buttermilk. A basic Dijon vinaigrette dressing is simple to make and can be used on a variety of salads, bowls, roast vegetables, grilled meats. You can even use it as a chicken marinade. You'll need Dijon mustard, red wine vinegar, salt and pepper, and olive oil. Place the Dijon in a small jar or bowl. Add the vinegar and salt and pepper, stirring to combine. While you're stirring, add the oil in a thin stream, stirring until an emulsion forms. The salad dressing will be good in the refrigerator for about a week covered. Want something different? Try a fruit jam-based dressing. Fruit-flavored sauces and dressings go great with all kinds of savory dishes, including chicken and salad. This strawberry dressing is amazing. You'll need strawberry jam, white wine vinegar, salt and pepper, and olive oil. The method for mixing: you're going to add the strawberry jam to your jar, add salt and pepper to taste, and the white wine vinegar. Stir it until well combined, and then add in the olive oil. You can give the jar a good shake and you're done. This dressing will be good for about a week covered in the refrigerator.